What's up guys, it's Osiris. Welcome to a brand new video in this Acoustica series. In this video we'll be taking a look at the DeClip module and we'll be seeing how we can use this to reduce distortion in our audio. So DeClip is a tool that restores audio recordings distorted by analog or digital clipping. And clipping can occur when a signal is too hot and it has reached the highest or the lowest peak and it's not properly recorded. So I have an example here. Let's listen to this.
I've been searching around the whole world, ain't found nothing but empty eyes and empty smiles. Been looking for someone that could be. So
we can just hear the audio clipping and it's quite prominent in this area, for example.
For someone that could be my one and only.
And DeClip is a tool we can use to reduce this distortion. So let's go to enhancement and let's select DeClip. This is the DeClip module and we have few options to play with. So the threshold settings allows you to set the positive and negative threshold. So that's the upper and lower threshold. The input gain allows you to set the input coming in from the audio. The output gain allows you to set the output after you've made your processing, after DeClip has worked on your audio. And this quality knob just allows you to set the quality of the DeClip algorithm. So higher quality means the processor will use more CPU, and a lower quality means it would use less CPU. So if you don't have enough CPU to work with, you can set this at a lower quality. I believe you should always set this at a high quality because it's just something you do and process and be done with. So it's not something you leave in your chain for a long time. So the detect knob allows you to automatically detect the positive and negative threshold. So the threshold is just what we use to select the dB levels, the signal levels where we think the audio has been clipped. So let's process this audio through DeClip and we'll see how we can reduce the distortion we are hearing. So I'll play this.
I've been searching around the whole world, ain't found nothing but empty eyes and empty smiles. Been looking for someone that could be my one.
And if we look at our graph here, we can see the clips at the lower signal, so this peak, and at the upper signal, this peak. So
I've been searching around the whole world, ain't found nothing.
So what we want to do is bring our positive and negative threshold after these peaks, and that can help reduce the distortion. So let's play this and adjust our threshold accordingly.
I've been searching around the whole world, ain't found nothing but empty. I've been searching around.
And we can immediately hear a difference.
Been looking for someone that could be my.
So let's take a look at this area. We have the distortion more prominent here. Let's listen to this.
For some.
I'll bypass DeClip.
Been looking for someone that could be my. Been looking for someone that could be my one and only.
And we can hear how that just distorts at that point. So I'll enable DeClip.
Been looking for someone that could be my.
And we've been able to reduce the distortion.
Been looking for someone that could be my one. Been looking for someone that. Been looking for someone that could be my one. Been looking for someone. Been looking for someone. Been looking for someone that could. Been looking for someone that.
And we have our peaks around here. I'll reduce that. Let's play this now.
Been looking for someone that could. Been looking for someone that could. Been looking for someone that could be. Been looking for someone that could be my one and only.
So let's disable this.
Been looking for someone that. Been looking for someone that.
And let's enable this.
Been looking for someone that could.
And we can see how that reduces the distortion. Let's play with the quality slider and see if this changes anything. I'll reduce this to 0.
Been looking for someone that. Been looking for someone that could. Been looking for someone. Been looking for someone that, been looking for someone that could be my.
The difference is slight, but I think you should just leave this at 100%. So let's process this. And we have a more dynamic audio here. The gain has increased, and I'm just going to reduce the gain there. Let's undo this, go back to DeClip, and
Someone that could be my, someone that could be my, someone that could, someone that could be my one and only.
I'll reduce the output gain a little, and let's process this. So we have a less distorted audio now, and we can see if I Ctrl Z this, these places are clipped. So if you have that sausage-like looking audio, you know it's likely clipping. And if we take a look at the processed signal from the waveform, we can see the distortion has been reduced. Let's listen to this.
I've been searching around the whole world, ain't found nothing but empty eyes and empty smiles. Been looking for someone that could be my one and only, and oh what a surprise.
Let's save this, then I'll put in the clip again, and let's see if we can do some extra clip reduction. Let's focus on this area.
Looking for someone that, looking for someone, looking for someone that, looking for someone that could be, looking for someone that could be.
And I'll process this.
Eyes and empty smiles. Been looking for someone that could be my one and only, and oh what a surprise. I've been searching.
So yeah, guys, that's how to use DeClip in Acoustica. You can use this to reduce distortion in your audio signal. So go check this out. I'll leave a link to Acoustica in the pinned comments below. That'll be all for this video. If you enjoyed this video and you learned something new from this, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment in the comment section below. I'll see you in the next video.